Yo, where you go? Back up.
You are the USB port, right?
Yeah, hour. Where you want?
I kind of want to get to the laptop still, so I don't know if you're going to let me through or where you are.
Yeah, man, by all means, man, go through. Let me tell you this, youth. I don't let people through on the first try, no.
Thank you very much.